Hey guys, I'm Marsh and I'm here to present TokenRivals. So, what is the relationship between crypto and fantasy sports? In crypto, the price of every token changes with every second, and at the same time, in fantasy sports, the stats of the player changes during the course of the match. In crypto, you build a portfolio with your favorite tokens, and in fantasy sports, you build a squad with your favorite players. Crypto has a strong community behind every single token, and fantasy sports has a large fan club behind every single clubs. So, what if we combine both? What if we have fantasy sports but for crypto, where you could draft your token squad and compete in PvP battles with your friends? And that is exactly what TokenRivals is all about, where you could draft your token squad, bet on shorting or long, stake, share your room ID with your friends, and compete. So, this is a game where the winner takes all of the stake. So, whom did we build this for? We built this for the 2.5 million people who are into crypto trading and also into fantasy sports. And this is our GTM strategy. We got 3 different channels starting from gaming communities, influencers and universities, crypto communities and social media starting from Instagram, X and Reddit. We have also mentioned our user growth, which starts with referral rewards, leaderboards plus NFT badges and social sharing results. We've also given our conversion and retention strategy. It starts with landing page A/B tests, 3-step onboarding tutorials where users could use fake XTC tokens to go through the game and get an idea of what it's all about, with daily login streaks and tournament leagues. We have built this platform with Civic, which gives us one-click authentication. It gives us a complete zero hassle architecture for new users who are into Web3 with embedded wallets. This is our tech stack. We have deployed our contracts on Etherlink. All our price feeds are coming directly from the Pyth network. Our application service running on Google Cloud Run, and we have implemented Civic Authentication. Now, let's take a look into a short demo.
Now let's use Civic to connect with our Google account and create a wallet. I think it should be visible now. Yeah, we could see our address. And yeah, now let's move on to make our team. Let's choose BTC, Optimism, Arbitrum, and Sui and Pyth. Yeah, now that our squad is created, let's enter the tournament. Now let's create a new room. Alright, now let's set the stake amount 0.001 and bet on long and create the room. Alright, now we have our room code which we could share with our friend. Now as user B, let's go with BTC, Arbitrum, Pyth, and yeah. Now let's enter the tournament. Now since we already have a code, let's join the existing room. Let's enter the room code. And hit on join room. Now we can see information regarding the room. And yeah, upon joining we could see various information. Now let's stake. Yeah, now that both parties have staked, let's move on to the actual tournament. Yeah, now we could see the competition happening between the two squads. Now all the price feeds are fetched directly from Pyth network. So the competition takes place for 1 minute and let's see who wins. Alright, now we have the winner. You could see some stats here. Now let's look into the transaction details. Yep, we have made a successful call to the contract and things seems to be fine.